Hello everyone, welcome back to the Java tutorial series. In this video, we will learn about string builder in Java. So by the end of this video, you will understand what string builder is, why it is used, and how it differs from string, and the most commonly used methods, that is string builder methods. So let's get started. So first question is, what is string builder? So string builder is a class in Java and it is used to create and manipulate strings efficiently. Unlike string objects, as we have seen, we cannot modify string, that is immutability. Whereas in string builder, objects are mutable. Objects are mutable. Mutable means we can modify the existing string. So that's why we use string builder. So which means their content can be changed without creating a new object every time. So as we know, for string, every time we are modifying the string value, it was creating a new string value. Whereas in string builder, we can modify the existing string. Okay, we will see with different example later. So this is the main important point of string builder, and it is located in java.lang package. Java.lang package. So mainly it is used for string modifications. We will be manipulating string value. Okay, let's go to IntelliJ and see various examples for better understanding. So we are learning string builder. What it is? It is built-in class provided by Java. Okay, so let's take one example. String str equals to, let's say, Java. Now suppose we want to do concatenation. Let's say str equals to str plus, let's say I want to add programming, or let's take one more, str plus let's say language, Java programming, Java language. Okay, so since we know strings in Java are immutable, every time we modify a string, a new object is created in the memory. So this can impact performance when many modifications are performed. Okay, I hope you understood. So this is the original string. Okay, now what we are doing, we are modifying this existing string. How we are modifying? By adding some extra string, that is programming, then language. Okay, so each time we are getting a new string. What will be the output of this one? String programming. Sorry, my bad. Java programming. Okay, what will be the output for this one? Java language. But since strings are immutable means we are not changing the value of str. Instead, it is creating a new string. So Java programming is a altogether new string. It is nothing to do with the existing string. Likewise, Java language is also a new string. Okay, so every time when we are modifying the existing string, it is creating a new object in the heap memory. New object, new string object. Java programming, again new string is created. Java language, again new string is created in the heap memory. So total how many strings are there in the heap memory? Three strings. So each time we are doing modification, so instead of modifying the existing string, what it is doing? It is creating another string. So that's why we say strings are immutable, immutability. So this can impact performance. Okay, this can impact performance. Why? Because many modifications are performed. Then question comes, how do we solve? What is the solution of this problem? Every time we are modifying the string, and it is, instead of modifying, it is creating a new string. So the solution is StringBuilder. StringBuilder solves this problem. How? By allowing modification to the same string object. Okay, so same string we can modify. How to modify, we'll see. Okay, so I will comment this one. First we'll understand like how to initialize string and how it is used. First basic thing we'll understand, then we'll see how the modification to the same string object is done via StringBuilder. Okay, so let's first initialize StringBuilder built-in class. Let's say sb equals to new StringBuilder. Okay, so this is initialization. We have created an object. Since we are using new keyword, so it will create one object in the heap memory, and it is object of which class? StringBuilder. Now likewise we'll create another object. This time we'll give sb2 equals to new StringBuilder, and in the parameter we'll provide some value to this string. So it will be, let's say, Java. So what we understood by these two lines, we can create an empty string builder. Okay, this is what empty string builder, or we can initialize with an string value. So there are two possibilities. We can initialize with the empty string builder. We are not providing any value, and second option is we can provide an string value. So after creation, we can easily modify. So this is what we are doing in these two statements. Ways of creating StringBuilder object. Okay, so in the first way, what we are doing, we are creating empty StringBuilder, and in the second one, we are creating StringBuilder with a value. Okay, now as we know, StringBuilder is what? Built-in class provided by Java. Okay, now we understood how to create. We'll comment this line. Now StringBuilder is what? Built-in class, right? StringBuilder is built-in class. That means what? The class we are not building, it is already created by the Java. We are just utilizing it. Okay. And since it is built-in class, there will be some built-in methods, right? For this class, we'll be having built-in methods. So understand, like in each class, we have several methods. So for now, you can understand like one class has multiple methods. So likewise, StringBuilder is a one class provided by Java. Okay, and it has several methods in that class. So since the class is provided by Java, that means we will get methods also, because methods are present where? Inside the class. So we can utilize those methods as well. Okay, class and methods, class, object we will see in detail, but for now, just for understanding, StringBuilder is a built-in class and we will utilize the existing methods provided by StringBuilder class. Okay, now, so what we discussed previously, StringBuilder is a solution of allowing modification to the same string object, correct? So with the help of StringBuilder, we can modify the string, existing string, same string object. So let's say we created an empty string object. So here, see, there is no, either way is fine. You can do like this, or if you are not providing, it is an empty string. Okay. Now with this empty string, we will modify it. How? Using methods. sb.append. Append is one method we'll be using, and let's say, okay, to understand better, I will initialize Java. Okay, so let's say we have the one string Java and we are modifying. How we are modifying? We are appending programming string. Appending means what? It will concatenate to the end of the existing string. So existing string is what? Java. After appending, what will be the output? What will be the string? Java programming. Okay. Let me print so that we can verify what we are doing. SB, okay. Now I will run the program. So in the output you can see, right, it is Java programming. So it is the same string which we created. So we created one string builder in string, and the same string, using string builder, we modified. How we modified? We appended on the last of string programming. So the same string from Java, it became Java programming. It is not creating another string. The same string is getting modified. Okay, here I will write same string, that is Java, is modified to Java programming. Okay, same string is modified with the help of append method. And where is this append method? Append method is present in StringBuilder class, which is provided by Java. We are not defining method, what it will do, those things. Those things are already provided by Java. We are just utilizing it, using it. So the append methods adds text to the end of the existing string. string builder object. Okay, it is most frequently used methods. Okay, let's move to another method. I will comment this out. So the more you write, more you understand. So let me create another string builder object. SB equals to new. Whenever we are typing new, that means a new object is getting created in the heap memory. Okay, and what is the value of this string builder object? Java. Now we are using one more method, sb.insert. Okay, insert, we need to provide two parameters, 1 comma what value you want to insert. Let's say p. Okay, now print sb. So this is an index. At this index we are inserting this string. Let's verify. So you can see, right, this was the existing string Java. Now at index 1, index starts from 0, right? So index 1 we are inserting p. So what will be the output? JPAVA. So in the output we are getting JPAVA. So on the index position, if we want to insert some string, we can use insert method. So insert method adds characters or string at a specific position, a specific index within the string. Okay. Now we will see another method. Okay. I have kept the string builder object. Same object will be used. sb.replace. Okay. Replace 0 comma start and end we need to provide 0 comma 4 comma. Okay, so this index will get replaced. So this will be removed, and in the place of this string, what string we want to provide. So let's say we want to provide spring. So what it will do? The replace method replaces characters between the specified start and end index. So 0, 1, 2, 3. And at the fourth place, it will replace the string value. Let's check an output. We have not printed a. Okay. Let's print. So in the output we're getting spring over here. So at this index, start and index 0, 1, 2, 3 and 4th. So it will replace whatever string characters present between these indexes, and it will add this string. You can say remove and add, or you can say directly replace. Whatever string present between this index 0 to 4, it will get replaced from the string which we provided. Let's move to next method, that is I hope you are able to see the string builder object. Let me bring here. Okay. Now we are using method sb.delete. What delete method will do? Delete method removes character from the specified range. Okay, so let's say 4 comma, it is less. Let's increase the Java programming, and let's say 4 means what? 0 1 2 3 4. Okay, it will delete from here 4 and 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12 13 14 15 16. So from this string builder object, it will delete string from index 4 to index 16. So it will give an output Java. Let's verify. SB. Okay, J will be capital. Let's run the program and verify it. Yeah, so in the output we can see those elements, those string, those character values from this between these indexes are deleted, and the remaining string is printed as output. So from a specified range, the characters will be deleted. Okay. Now let's take another method. So I hope you are understanding how we are manipulating the string builder object. So existing string builder object is getting modified. It is not creating another object as it was happening for string class. So that's how we are getting solution of that problem. Okay, let's say Java. Now this is also very famous method, sb.reverse. What it will do? It will reverse the existing string. That means last character will come to first, second last will come to, then third last, then fourth last. It will reverse. Okay, let's verify it. By name it is clear, but we will verify. Yeah, the output is same. So you can understand, like, the reverse method reverses the sequence of characters. Okay, sequence of characters. Let's take another example. String builder. Java. Now I want to print length. Oh, sorry. I want to print length. And one more method is capacity. Okay, so length will return the number of characters currently stored. So it will be 4. And capacity returns the total storage available before resizing is required. Okay, so the default capacity is 16 characters plus the length of initial strings. So this is default. Let's run program and verify it. So length is 4. Okay, and capacity is what I said, 16 is the default, and on the top of this default value we added what, 4 extra characters, so it will become 20. So that's what it is printing, 20. So I hope it is clear, but still I will take one more example. String builder SB equals to new string builder. Okay, let's say, let me take this time empty string. Okay, we will modify in the next line. SB dot append. What will append? Welcome. Then again I will, okay, let me print SB. Now in the next line again I will append welcome to. Then again I will print what? Oh, I forgot semicolon. Then again I will append what? Welcome to Java programming. Okay, now again I will print space. What I am doing here, after modification I am printing. After modification I am printing. What modification? I am adding here welcome. I am adding here to. I am adding here Java programming. Adding at the last of existing string. What append do? We already know, right? String will be added to the last of existing string. Since we have not initialized with any string, it is an empty string, so this will be first string. Then we are appending on the two string with the existing one, so it will come welcome to. Okay, let's give some space. Better. Come to Java programming. Let's verify. So why I am printing every line? So that we'll have better clarity what is happening inside after each and every line. So after this statement, what is happening? Empty string, now it created to welcome with the append method. Again we appended to, so it appended at the last of existing string, that was welcome. Then again appended Java programming to the existing string. What was the existing string? Welcome to. So Java programming is appended on the existing string, so it became welcome to Java programming. So a common use case is building dynamic messages, reports, SQL queries, or large text content. So these are use cases of StringBuilder. Okay, so let's quickly summarize what we have learned so far. Okay, so StringBuilder is mutable. Just now we have seen mutable. Why we are saying mutable? Because we are able to modify existing string builder object. It is not creating string object every time. It is modifying the existing string builder object. That's why we are calling it as mutable. So string builder is mutable. So it improves performance during string modification. It is not creating every time new string. It is modifying the existing object. That's why performance is getting increased. And common methods we have seen like append, insert, replace, delete, reverse, length, capacity. For capacity we have seen 16 is default value, and whatever characters we are adding, that will be added on the top of this 16 value. So that's all for this video. I hope this tutorial helped you understand string builder. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next video.